The other day, a client visited us who learned about Lifestyle Camper from a YouTube video. That's why this year we continue filming for you. Today, I want to tell you more about certification in detail. We are the only company that provides a full set of documents as a vehicle manufacturer for our trailers. I'm Julia, and you're on the Lifestyle Camper channel. In the world of campers, certification as a vehicle manufacturer is the foundation of trust and safety, as well as the manufacturer's legal responsibility to the client. For years, Lifestyle Camper has been upholding its earned quality certificates. For us, this is an integral part of building a professional reputation, earning the trust of clients, and gaining recognition from the global community. Lifestyle Camper is the only certified camper manufacturer in Ukraine, as confirmed by official international documents. We first received certificates of conformity as an automotive manufacturer in Ukraine back in 2018, and also implemented a quality management system and obtained the international ISO 9001:2015 standard certificate. In 2019, we confirmed and received the European COC Certificate of Conformity as an automotive manufacturer for the steel drop and X-line models. Since then, we have not only maintained these statuses, but also regularly confirmed them through independent audits and updates to documentation for technical improvements. What does camper certification mean for our customers? Good question. Our campers have official vehicle certification both in Ukraine and in the European Union. This means that they comply with current technical regulations, as well as safety requirements for design and operation. And most importantly, they can be legally registered, insured, and used without any risks for the owners. For customers, this simply means convenience and legal protection, both during use and when crossing borders. A separate level of responsibility is the certification of the quality management system, according to ISO 9001:2015. It covers not just a single product, but the entire logic of the company's operations, from design and procurement to production, quality control, and after-sales support. This certificate requires regular confirmation. Every year we undergo surveillance audits and a full certification every 3 years. This means constant external oversight, process adjustments, documentation updates, and accountability for every production decision. Our dealers, who are present in 26 countries around the world, have been conducting surveys among our clients for many years. Thanks to this, our trailers are the result of the work of a large number of focus groups from different countries. This gave us the opportunity and a unique chance to make our trailers much more advanced and convenient for customers to use in the most extreme conditions, from the scorching Emirates to Nordkapp in Norway. This approach requires resources, discipline, and the courage not to look for shortcuts, as well as the use of exclusively eco-friendly and high-quality materials. This is exactly what distinguishes a serial manufacturer from makeshift or garage solutions. And this is precisely what allows customers to feel confident. Lifestyle Camper is a manufacturer that has proven its status in practice over the years. Together, this comprehensive approach gives our clients the very best. With Lifestyle Camper motorhomes, you get not just a product, but protection, transparency, consistent quality, a warranty, and official service. This is especially important in the realities of the Ukrainian market, where uncertified constructions without warranties, documents, or responsibility are appearing more and more often. How does the camper warranty work? In every country, we operate in accordance with local legislation, so the warranty period for a camper may vary. In Ukraine, for example, the warranty is 12 months. In European countries, it's 24 months. And in Norway, for instance, it's 60 months. What does this mean for our clients? Regardless of the country, the client receives the same camper, manufactured at the very same factory. We do not adjust the quality for different markets, and the product remains the same. If we offer a 5-year warranty in one country, then in fact our camper has the same level of reliability everywhere. This is a product that stands the test of time and use. The longest warranty we offer applies to the exterior polymer coating. It can be up to 20 years. The body watertightness warranty lasts from 5 to 10 years, depending on the coating of the specific camper model. There are separate warranty periods for the suspension, chassis, household appliances, heating system, air conditioning, and other components in motorhomes. We deliberately invest time and effort in repeated inspections and certification confirmations because we are convinced that true freedom of travel begins with reliability, transparency, and consistent quality for which the manufacturer is ready to take responsibility. Travel together with Lifestyle Camper.